how to track your Klarna orders. Waiting for an order? This guide shows you how you can track your Klarna orders so you can know where your package is. First, open the Klarna app and go to Purchases or Order section. Since you don't have access to the Order section right now, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. You can find it at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a list of all your payments, recent orders including the ones that are still in transit. Find the order that you want to track and tap on it. You'll see a page with all the details of the order, including the total cost, the payment plan, and the delivery status. You'll also see a button that says Track. Tap on it to go to the tracking page. On the tracking page, you'll be able to see the real-time location and status of your package. You'll also be able to see the estimated delivery date and time. It is a great way to stay updated with your orders. You can also contact the merchant directly if you have any questions about your order. You now know how to track your orders on Klarna. Get ready to know where your package is. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.